Guys, there are many ways to improve your level of English, but only you can find the right way. Here are a few tips that might help you. First, find out your learning style. What is your learning style? You need to find out that style. Number two, speak a little English every day. Guys, you must start speaking small English sentences in your conversations. Next, you can attend any English class or discussion group to speak English every day. Number four, expand your vocabulary. To improve your vocabulary, you can start learning 5 new words every day. Number 6, don't be afraid of making mistakes. In the beginning, you may make mistakes, but in the end, you will be fluent. So guys, these were some tips to improve your English speaking skills. I hope you would start working on these tips. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video, and yes, do not forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. We will meet in the next video. Until keep watching, keep learning and keep practicing. Bye bye.